Bitcoin pumped 20% this week, but there's one coin that's stealing the show, and most people haven't even heard of it. That coin is Hyperliquid, and what just happened to it is wild. Let's break it down. This is not financial advice. Do your own research and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Hyperliquid is a decentralized perpetual futures exchange, but built on its own Layer 1 blockchain, no middleman, no centralized custody. You trade directly from your own wallet, and it's been absolutely destroying centralized exchanges. Volume, user growth, revenue, all going in one direction. On August 19th, Trump held a meeting at the White House with the biggest names in crypto and tech. And then he said this: "I understand that Mike is also working to bring Hyperliquid into the United States in a fully compliant and legal fashion." Mike, that's CFTC Chairman Michael Selig. Let that sink in. The President of the United States just name-dropped a decentralized crypto exchange at the White House. Right now, Hyperliquid operates offshore, which means American traders can't easily access it. And institutional money stays on the sidelines. A legal U.S. pathway changes everything. American traders are the deepest derivatives market in the world. Onshore access means more volume, more fees going into the ecosystem, more buybacks, more price pressure upward. And there's a second catalyst on top of this. On August 18th, Hyperliquid filed a joint proposal with the SEC proposing pre-IPO perpetual markets, letting traders get price exposure to companies before they go public. They already successfully predicted opening prices for Cerebras, SK, Hynix, and SpaceX. This is a company that's rewriting the rules of how markets work. Chart 4. H-chart on Bybit. Hype had already been in a strong uptrend since February, rising trendline holding as support, higher lows, higher highs. Then the BTC pump hit, the Trump catalyst hit, and Hype exploded from $58 straight to $80. Breaking to a new all-time high 1-hour chart shows the breakout clearly. Price ripped through the $68 resistance zone with massive volume, currently consolidating just below $80. Key levels, support, $76 to $77. This is the new floor, first resistance, $80 to $82. Where we are now, break above $82 with volume, and the next target zone opens up significantly. Arthur Hayes publicly called $150 for Hype, and at current trajectory, that's not crazy. 2 scenarios. Bullish, CFTC confirms a regulated U.S. pathway. Institutional money floods in. Volume on the platform explodes. More fees, more buybacks. More price pressure up, $82 breaks. Hype runs toward $100 and beyond. Bearish, regulators delay or block the U.S. pathway. CME and ICE, who lobbied against Hyperliquid, win that fight. Hype loses $76 support, pulls back towards $65 to $68 zone. Risks, CME Group and ICE, the 2 biggest traditional derivatives exchanges, have actively lobbied against Hyperliquid, citing manipulation and sanctions concerns. That's serious institutional opposition. Compliance is genuinely complex. KYC, leverage limits, custody rules. None of these map easily onto a non-custodial on-chain order book. And if BTC pulls back hard, Hype will feel it. Price targets. Short term, $82 to $90 if resistance clears medium term. $100 to $120 by end of 2026 bullish. $150 with full U.S. market access. Bottom line, Trump just put Hyperliquid on the map for every institutional investor in America. The chart is at all-time highs. The fundamentals back it up. And the U.S. market hasn't even opened yet. This is one of the most important setups in crypto right now. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any analyses of this and similar coins. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. See you next one.